Real estate investing is more than just finding a property, setting the rent, and sitting back and watching the money flow. In fact, effective rental property management is a fine-tuned process that takes a team and the right tools to get it done well. So from legal compliance to tenant satisfaction and property maintenance, every aspect plays a role in your investment success. So today, I'm going to dive into the essentials that you need to know to build a smooth running rental operation. So whether you're managing a single property or you're growing your portfolio, knowing exactly who to rely on and what tools to use are going to set you up for long-term profitability and a peace of mind. Before you dive into managing tenants and collecting rent, you need a solid foundation of compliance. Securing your certificate of occupancy and registering your property, especially if it's required in your municipality, is the first step. The CO is a stamp of approval from your local government that confirms your property is safe, habitable, and up to code. Without this certification, you risk fines and penalties, and more importantly, you jeopardize tenant safety. In most areas, you can expect to pay between $50 and $200 to obtain the CO, but check with your local municipality because prices vary. In addition to the CO, a lot of municipalities require rental registration. This process is designed to keep track of rental properties, ensuring that landlords operate within the legal guidelines, adhering to fair housing laws and maintaining property standards. This goal is to hold landlords accountable and provide safe, compliant housing. Without rental registration, you could face fines or even be prohibited from renting out the property. It's a quick step that ensures you're running a legal and compliant operation. Once you've established your compliance, it's time to focus on assembling your team. So each person contributes to the property's smooth operation, tenant satisfaction, and long-term profitability. A clean and well-maintained property is your first line of attraction for high-quality tenants. Having a professional cleaner to repair the unit between tenants is crucial. Cleanliness impacts how your tenants view your property and can even justify a slightly higher rent. Think about it. A spotless property with fresh carpets and shiny fixtures sends a signal that you care about the quality of your place. Depending on the size and the condition of your property, you're looking at a cost of $100 to $300 per cleaning session. While this might seem a little expensive, the payoff in tenant satisfaction and lower vacancy rates make it greatly worthwhile. And if you're managing multiple properties, a good cleaner can become your go-to resource for rapid, thorough turnovers, minimizing the time that a unit sits empty. Maintenance is the next step. It's essential to keeping your property in tip-top condition and avoiding costly repairs. A reliable maintenance technician or handyman is someone who can take on general repairs like fixing leaky faucets, adjusting doors, or addressing small electrical issues. By regularly inspecting and servicing your property, you can avoid bigger, costlier problems down the road. It's proactive management at its best. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or HVAC, they're the unsung heroes of the tenant comfort. No tenant wants to deal with a broken HVAC system in the middle of summer heat wave or winter cold snap. Regular servicing by an HVAC specialist keeps the system running effectively, prolongs its life, and avoids unexpected breakdowns. It's a relatively small investment compared to the cost of emergency repairs or a total system replacement, which can easily run into thousands of dollars. For maintenance services, you're typically going to pay somewhere between $75 to $150 an hour, but it's a solid investment. Regular maintenance doesn't just protect your property value, it also keeps tenants happy, reducing your turnover and ensuring your property remains a desirable place to live. While a maintenance technician handles larger jobs, a handyman is invaluable for small repairs and quick fixes. Whether it's replacing a broken lock, touching up some paint, repairing minor drywall damage, a handyman can address the small issues at a lower cost. By tackling the minor fixes, you avoid bigger repairs down the line and keep the property looking fresh. Handymen generally range between $50 and $100 per hour, but can offer different packages for ongoing services. Having a handyman on call can save you time and hassle, especially if you own multiple properties. Addressing minor issues quickly not only keeps tenants happy, but also preserves the property's overall appeal and value. Running rental properties involves a surprising amount of paperwork and communication. A virtual assistant can handle a lot of these administrative tasks, from responding to tenant inquiries to organizing lease documents, scheduling repairs, and even tracking rent payments. For busy landlords, a VA can be a lifesaver, keeping everything organized and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Hiring a VA can cost between $7 and $25 an hour, or around $500 a month for part-time support. With a VA on board, you're going to have more time to focus on expanding your portfolio or addressing larger issues, knowing that the day-to-day tasks are being managed efficiently. Plus, having a VA handle tenant communication can improve your response times, which keeps tenants satisfied and fosters good relationships. Leases and evictions are the legal bedrock of property management, so a well-drafted lease agreement protects your rights, defines tenant responsibilities, and ensures you comply with your local regulations. An experienced lawyer is a must and can help you draft leases that cover essential aspects like rent payment, property use, pet policies, and maintenance responsibilities. This level of detail reduces misunderstandings and protects you if disputes arise. Evictions are another area where legal support is invaluable. Eviction laws vary significantly, and a misstep in the process can result in delays, fines, or even lawsuits. With the guidance of a lawyer who specializes in landlord-tenant law, you can navigate evictions legally and efficiently, ensuring that you follow up with all required steps. And legal fees for drafting a lease can range from $200 to $500, while eviction costs including core fees can run between $600 and $1,500. These fees are investments in compliance and protection, safeguarding you from disputes and ensuring a smooth operation. Legally sound leases set expectations clearly, reducing misunderstandings while having an eviction process in place ensures you're prepared to act if the tenant fails to meet their obligations. The right software package can simplify your management tasks, streamline your operations, and keep everything organized. So let's look at the three most popular property management software options: Stessa, Zillow Rental Manager, and Appfolio. Each offers different features and price points, catering to landlords with various needs and portfolio sizes. Stessa is a great starting point. It's for smaller portfolios or landlords who prefer to manage finances directly. It's a free, user-friendly platform that tracks income, expenses, and generates detailed financial reports. While Stessa doesn't have an advanced tenant or lease management feature, it's perfect for keeping a close eye on your property's financial performance. Its focus on financials makes an excellent choice for DIY investors looking to maximize profits without paying for the full-service management tool. Zillow Rental Manager is a low-cost option that combines tenant screening, rent collection, and property listing tools. With Zillow, you list your property, screen tenants, collect rent, and even manage basic lease agreements all in one place. It's particularly effective for landlords with properties who want an all-in-one tool at an affordable price. At around $10 a month per listing, Zillow Rental Manager is accessible for most landlords. Its integration with Zillow's property listing boosts visibility, attracting more potential tenants. While it doesn't offer as many features as like Appfolio or Buildium, it provides essential tools at the fraction of the cost, making it ideal for landlords with smaller portfolios or those who want a simple, reliable solution. Appfolio is a comprehensive property management software designed for landlords with over 50 doors. It offers advanced features like online leasing, maintenance tracking, tenant portals, and detailed reporting. Also, Appfolio's strength lies in its ability to handle complex property management tasks, including tenant communications, work orders, and financial tracking, all in one integrated platform. However, Appfolio's pricing reflects its advanced capabilities starting at $250 per month, with a minimum unit required of 50 doors. It's a significant investment, but pays off for landlords managing a larger number of properties or looking for a robust, scalable platform that can grow with their business. Managing rental properties involves a variety of costs, from personnel to software and legal fees. So let's break down how to balance these expenses effectively. Outsourcing property management fees. So full-service property managers charge between 8 and 12% of monthly rent, plus a leasing fee. Typically 1 month's rent for lease, we charge $500. For a property renting at $1,500 a month, management fees could cost around $1,800 annually, not including the leasing fee, which these services reduce your workload. Using property management software can be more cost-effective, especially if you have a smaller portfolio. For landlords managing a handful of properties, proprietary management software like Stessa or Zillow can significantly reduce your costs. Instead of paying for a full-time service manager, these tools allow you to handle tenant and financial management in-house. This is going to save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. Certain tasks like minor maintenance or tenant communication can be managed in-house with a virtual assistant or with contractors. This flexible approach reduces your expenses compared to a full-service management company, while allowing you to control service quality and response times. Legal support for leases and evictions might seem like an upfront cost, but it's a critical investment. Drafting your leases with a lawyer reduces the risk of disputes, while legal assistance in evictions ensures compliance, preventing costly setbacks in the long run. Building a successful property management system requires a balance of reliable team members, efficient tools, and legal safeguards. By choosing a trusted service provider, you protect your investment and keep tenants satisfied. With property management software, you streamline your operations, you stay organized, and reduce manual tasks, giving you more time to focus on growing your portfolio. The goal here is to create a team and a system that keeps your properties running smoothly, minimizing your tenant turnover and maximizing your profitability. For example, starting with an affordable software like Stessa or Zillow Rental Manager can keep you organized without breaking your bank. As your portfolio grows, consider transitioning to one of the more comprehensive solutions like Buildium or Appfolio, which offer features to scale up efficiently. Every decision from here on out, from choosing a cleaner to investing in property management software, affects the smooth running and profitability of your property business. Remember, investing in the right people, software, and legal protections isn't just about reducing your headaches. It's about setting a solid foundation for your business. Effective property management is all about strategy, smart investing, and proactive maintenance. With a reliable team and the right digital tools, you're not just protecting your property, you're building a profitable, efficient operation that can grow with your ambitions. As you move forward, keep refining your processes and adjust as you scale. With the right foundation, there's really no limit to the success you can achieve in rental property management. So let's get out there, take some action, build your team, and watch your investments flourish. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, aim high. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. If you did, please show us some love and smash that like button. Your support means everything to us and helps us reach more people like you who want to aim high in real estate. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell icon so that you can stay up to date on all of our future content. If you're hungry for more real estate and finance related videos, we've got you covered. We can't wait to see your success stories in real estate investing. Till next time, aim high. We'll see you soon.